Are you ready for a game-changing food hack? Let's dive into the world of strawberries. Strawberries are delicious, but removing their stems can be a bit of a hassle. Are you tired of tedious strawberry stemming that leaves you with wasted fruit and sticky fingers? Say goodbye to the struggle and hello to this quick and easy hack that gets it done in just 1 second. Let's reveal the secret to perfectly stemmed strawberries. All you need is a simple drinking straw. Yes, that's it. Here's how it works. Hold your strawberry firmly and take your straw. Carefully push the straw through the bottom of the strawberry, aiming for the stem. This hack isn't just about speed. It offers several fantastic benefits. It saves you precious time and effort, making strawberry prep a breeze. No more cutting away large portions of fruit with the stem. This method minimizes waste, giving you more delicious strawberry to enjoy. Whether you're snacking on them fresh or preparing them for a recipe, this hack is perfect for all your strawberry needs. So there you have it, the ultimate strawberry hack. Go ahead and try it out. Enjoy your perfectly stemmed strawberries effortlessly. #food hack, #shorts.